Hi guys, you are watching GoIT Center, and in this video we are going to install latest Microsoft Office 2024 and genuine and official. So let's start the video. So first of all, if you are going to install the Microsoft Office 2024 latest Microsoft Office, so first of all you have to check onto go into the control panel and check out if you have any Office. So let me go into the programs and then programs and features. Once you insert the programs and features, and then we have to check out here. So if we have any Office, we have to delete it. I have fresh Windows 10, so we don't have any Office here, but if you have any Office you have to uninstall first. So that's clear. So now we have to open the Chrome browser, and then we have to type Office deployment tool. And once you type the Office deployment tool, you have to click onto the Office deployment tool, and then you have to simply click onto the download. So file file will be downloaded. Then you have to locate this file and then cut it and go into the C drive. Just create one folder, give it the name Office, and then paste inside. Once you paste it, then you have to simply double click on it, then yes, then you have to click accept, continue, then you have to select the same location where we have created the folder. So click onto the C drive, then obviously Office, same folder, same location, we have to select it, and file extracted successfully. So once you have the file, then you can delete this file. Delete this because we will download another file from the custom Office customization tool. So we are going to delete this in order to avoid any confusion, because that file will also in the format of XML. That is the reason. So now we have to go on to the open the another tab, and then type Office customization tool. Then you have to click on that. Then you have to select the latest Office once it is open. So let him open first. Then 64-bit. Obviously, if your system is 64-bit, then you have to select 64-bit. And if your system if in the special case your system is 32-bit, then you have to select that. Anyways, just scroll down it, and then you have to select the Office. So you can see that we have to select Office Professional Plus 2024, and once you select the Office Plus 2024, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to select your desired apps. So let's say in my case, I don't need Access, I don't need OneNote, I don't need Publisher, and I don't need OneDrive. So that is good for me. So but in your case, obviously you have to select it according to your requirement. So hit next. Once you hit the next, then we have to select the primary language. So obviously English United States, and once you select it, then we have to scroll down it, then hit next. So and then scroll down it, then again hit next, then scroll down it, and you have to keep this option off. So keep this option off, and then you have to scroll down it, then next, then scroll down it, hit next, and I hope one more next, and then we will have a finish button. I hope, yes, finish. So once we finish it, then we have to export the file. Once we export it, then we have to check mark the open Office open XML format. Check on this, and then scroll down it, and then OK. Then you have to accept the terms and condition and keep the file name as it is, and just export it. So once you export it, then you will have this XML file and you have to move this file onto the same location. So cut this file and then click onto the C drive, then Office, and then we have to paste here. That's it. So now we have to open the terminal, CMD, run as administrator. Keep remember, you have to run as administrator, otherwise you may face problem during the installation. So you have to run as administrator. So yes, then we have to go into the C drive. So cd double dot and dir, then cd office, enter, dir, and then we have to type setup space / configure and then the file name. So file name is configuration.xml. So that's it. Now you have to hit enter. Once you hit enter, the setup wizard will be appeared in front of you, and you can see that. So it would take around 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on to the internet speed. So you have to wait for 20 to 30 minutes at least, but obviously it depends on to the internet speed and your computer speed as well. So as per my experience, in my case, it generally takes 20 minutes to 30 minutes, not more than that. So it is pretty much simple. So setup will be appeared in front of you. A main visit, initial visit has been appeared in front of you, and this visit will convert into the obviously final installation visit. So wait for a while. So it is taking little time, and sometime it takes 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and once the second page will appear, I will resume this video. So let me stop. I'm going to stop this video for 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise video will get longer. So it took around 3 minutes, and now the installation has been started, and now it will take around 20 to 30 minutes, but rest depend on your internet and your system speed. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will be back. So Office has been installed successfully, and let me show you. So all set, and then close it. Let me open any application like Word. So accept the license agreement, close, double click on it. Now here it is. So everything is ready, and now you can enjoy your latest Microsoft Office 2024, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friend. Stay safe. Bye bye.